Okay, guys. I know many of you are expecting some fresh content from me. I've been working behind the scenes, and let me give you this big announcement. I've been wanting to create a video that will teach you everything you need to know about the industry. Now, let me admit this to you. There is no single video. I can't compress everything into a video. So I'll be doing a series of videos to help you in the journey. And let me tell you this. Everybody wants to sell you a course. I'm not selling this course to you. I'm not asking for your email address. I'm not asking you to click on the link. I'm not promising you returns 100 times, 10 times. No, I'm not promising you. I want to teach you the basics of evaluating an ICU. So, watch out for this video. I'll be releasing the video in a couple of hours. I'll be teaching you everything you need to know in different tiers. And keep your eye on that. 1 year from now, you will see the results. I have much in store for you. Just be patient. Just be patient. Just be patient. Patience is the rule of the game. Just be patient. By the time we are done with the video, you'll be able to assess when a person is saying rubbish and when a person is making sense. Do have a very good day.